Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Today we are
Good
going to
afternoon.
discuss adjoint of a matrix, chapter determinant. So, how to find adjoint of a matrix? So, by using cofactors only, we can find. So, let's start now. Adjoint of a matrix. The adjoint of a square matrix A is defined as the transpose of the matrix, where Aij is the cofactor of the element small letter Aij. Adjoint of a matrix capital A is denoted by adjoint of A, adj dot A. So adjoint adj A. This is adjoint of a matrix denoted by adj, adjoint A. Now, one example I am showing. Write down one determinant 2 into 2 order. A equal to, A is any determinant, capital A, equal to 5724. 5, 7, 2, 4. 5, 7, 2, 4. 2 into 2 order, any matrix. Okay? 5, 7, 2, 4. 2 into 2 order, any matrix. So, find its adjoint. Now, at first, we have to find all the elements cofactor of all the elements. So, what is the cofactor of 5? Cofactor of 5, or 5 means actually name is A11. So A11. So cofactor of 5 means actually we know along 5 deleting rows and columns. So which one element left? 4, no? Along 5 deleting rows and column. So which element left? 4. 4. So 4 is the cofactor of 5, and at first sign is plus. We know sign of the cofactor is plus, minus, minus, plus. This is actually sign, cofactor sign. Okay. Plus, minus, minus, plus. So cofactor of 5 equal to deleting corresponding rows and column. Which element is left? 4. So 4. The first sign is 5, plus sign. So plus 4. So it is plus 4. So cofactor of 5 is 4. Now cofactor of 7. Cofactor of 7 equal to deleting corresponding rows and column along 7. Which element is left? That is 2. And sign is negative, plus minus. So it is minus 2. Cofactor of 7. Now cofactor of 2. cofactor of 2 equal to, deleting corresponding rows and column, which element is left? 7. And cofactor of 2 sign is minus sign position. So minus 7. So cofactor of 2 is minus 7. Then cofactor of 4. Cofactor
Sir, plus 5.
of 4. Cofactor of 4 equal to, cofactor of 4,
Sir, plus 5.
deleting corresponding rows and column, 5, yes, plus 5. So plus 5. Okay. So these are the cofactors. Now write adjoint A equal to adjoint ADJ, adjoint of the given matrix, that is A, adjoint A equal to matrix. So write down all the elements cofactor, that is at first is 4, all the cofactors you write 4 minus 2, then minus 2, then minus 7, then minus 7, then 5, last one is 5, bracket close, okay, and transpose sign, this is the formula, transpose. See, so first find all the cofactors of all the elements, okay, then write down all the elements of cofactor and then its transpose. Transpose means row column interchange. So row column interchange. Now new matrix is 4 minus 2 as the column, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, then minus 7, 5, minus 7, 5. This is the adjoint. This is the answer. 4 minus 7 minus 2, 5. Is it clear? Any question, any doubt? How to find adjoint?
No, sir.
So at first you have to find all cofactors. All the elements cofactors find first. Then you write their elements position cofactor and transpose sign. So its transpose is the adjoint A. That means this is adjoint. Clear now adjoint? Okay. Ruchika?
Yes, sir.
Clear adjoint? I'm taking new page now. Okay. Now, what is singular matrix? After that, singular matrix means a square matrix is said to be singular if their determinant equal to 0. So what is singular matrix? Singular matrix singular matrix. A is any square matrix, capital AB if any square matrix, capital A any square matrix, then if it is singular, that means find its determinant value. If determinant value equal to 0, then it is singular matrix. So this is the condition, you have to remember this. So if question is find singular matrix, then you have to find its determinant value, that is expand or value of this determinant. So if determinant is 0 came, so it is singular matrix. Then non-singular matrix, non-singular matrix non-singular matrix, if determinant value is not 0, so it is non-singular. Condition is determinant of the given matrix if not equal to 0, so it is non-singular. That means always you have to find its determinant value. If determinant value is 0, so it is singular matrix. And if determinant, so what is singular matrix? A matrix is said to be singular if determinant of that matrix equal to 0. That means you have to find its determinant value. If 2 into 2, you know, diagonal elements, product of diagonal elements. Okay, so determinant is 0, so it is singular. And if determinant value is not equal to 0, then it is non-singular matrix. That means in both the case you have to find determinant value. So it is singular and non-singular. Next, adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of a matrix. Find the adjoint of a matrix. Open exercise 4.5. Exercise 4.5. First question. 1, 2, 3, 4. Find the adjoint of a matrix. So first question is exercise 4.5. Question number 1. A equal to matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the given matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a matrix. Find its adjoint. Now we know at first find all the elements cofactors. So cofactors, first element is 1. So cofactors of 1, cofactor of 1 equal to, cofactor of 1 equal to, along 1 deleting corresponding rows and column, which element is left? Along 1 deleting corresponding rows and column, which element is left? That is 4. So cofactor of 1 is 4, and for the first element 1 sign is plus, so it is plus 4. Plus 4. So cofactor of 1 is 4. Next element is 2. So cofactor of 2, cofactor of 2. So cofactor of 2 is deleting corresponding rows and column along 2. The element 3 is left. So cofactor of 2 is 3 and sign is plus minus. Then second one, so minus 3. So it is minus 3. So cofactor of 2 is minus 3. Then cofactor of 3. Cofactor of 3 equal to along 3 deleting corresponding rows and column. So which element is left? 2. 2 and sign is plus minus plus. So cofactor of 3 is plus 2. Then cofactor of 4. Cofactor of 4. So cofactor of 4 equal to deleting corresponding rows and column. Now first element 1 is left. So 1 and sign is plus minus, then minus plus. So plus 1. So plus 1. So cofactor of 4 is 1. So now write adjoint of A. Adjoint A equal to matrix. Write all the cofactors. The first cofactor of 1 is 4. Then cofactor of 2 is minus 3. Then cofactor of 3 is plus 2. Then cofactor of 4 is plus 1. That is 1. Okay. And then transpose symbol. Okay. So write all the cofactors and its transpose is the adjoint. So equal to transpose now. Transpose means we know row column interchange. So row column interchange 4 minus 3 first row to first column, that is 4 minus 3, then 2 1 bracket close, that is matrix. Okay, so 4 2 minus 3 1, this is the adjoint of given matrix and this is the answer. Anyone, any doubt? Yes?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, you can do now, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see another question. Cofactor of, that is adjoint of, question number 2, A equal to 2 4 minus 2 3. 2 4 minus 2 3. 2 4 minus 2 3. Okay, So at first find its cofactors, then adjoint, and then you can find inverse also. When question is find the adjoint, then you have to find at first cofactors, then adjoint. If question is find the inverse, then also you have to find cofactors, then adjoint, then inverse. So if you find the inverse, that means all the steps you have to do. So at first find the determinant value. What is the determinant value? This determinant A equal to, we know, product of diagonal elements, that is 2 into 3, 2 into 3, first 2 into 3 minus 2 into 4. So 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 minus 2 into 4, minus 2 into 4, minus 2 into 4. So 2 into 3 minus, middle sign is minus 2 into 4. So this is the value of this determinant. So equal to, this equal to, calculate this. So 6 minus plus 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 2, 8. So 8 plus 6, 8 plus 6, it is 14. So 8 plus 6 is 14. So determinant A is 14. The value of this determinant is 14. Okay. Now find all its cofactors. So first, cofactors of 2. Cofactors of 2 equal to, deleting corresponding rows and column. So element 3 is left. So 3. Then sign is plus. First one, first element plus. Then cofactors of minus 2. Cofactors of minus 2. Cofactors of minus 2 equal to, deleting corresponding rows and column, then element 4 is left, and second one is plus, then minus. So minus 4. Cofactors of minus 2. Then cofactors of 4. Cofactors of 4 equal to, deleting corresponding rows and column. So which one left? Minus 2. Sign is plus. So minus 2. Plus minus plus. Then cofactors of 3. Cofactors of 3 equal to, deleting corresponding rows and column, which one left? Element is 2 is left, and sign is plus minus. So minus 2. So it is minus 2. Okay, came all the cofactors. Now write adjoint of the given matrix, that is adjoint of A. Adjoint A. Adjoint A equal to, write all the cofactors. The first is 3, first element 3. Then minus 4. Then minus 2. minus 2, then minus 2, minus 2. Okay, and transpose. Yes, transpose. So now row column interchange, transpose equal to so 3 minus 4 first row. The first row will be in first column 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4, then minus 2 minus 2, minus 2 minus 2. So this is the adjoint. Just close the bracket. Okay. So 3 minus 2 minus 4 minus 2. This is the answer and this is the adjoint of the given matrix. Now we can find after that inverse. So inverse we know, inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A, that is determinant value 14 into adjoint of A, into adjoint of A. So 3 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 this, and before this 1 by 14. So inverse of, you can write here inverse okay. So A inverse equal to A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, into adjoint of A. This is the formula of inverse, already discussed, and we can use here because if question is find inverse, then up to adjoint A you have to find, and after that one more step. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So this equal to 1 by determinant of A is 1 by 14. Determinant of A value is 14. Already done. So 1 by 14, 1 by 14 into this adjoint of A, that is 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4, minus 4 minus 2 minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2. This is the answer. Bracket close. Okay. So if question is find its adjoint only, then answer is 3 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 only. And if question is A inverse, find A inverse, then use inverse formula 1 by A into adjoint of A. So 1 by A means 1 by 14 and into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is 3 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2. Okay. So this is the inverse, and this is adjoint. Only adjoint answer is this. Okay, do one more question. So only adjoint you can find. Next, see question number 3. A equal to A, B, C, D. This is the matrix. 2 into 2 order A, B, C, D. So now find one by one cofactors. So cofactors of A, cofactors cofactors of first element is A. So cofactors of A equal to, so deleting corresponding rows and column, which one left? D, that is D. So cofactor of A is D. Now sign is plus, first element. Then cofactors of B, cofactor of B equal to cofactors of B, deleting corresponding rows and column. So which element is left? Deleting AB and BD, the C is left. So C. So cofactor of B is C and sign is minus, plus minus. So minus C. Then cofactors of C. Cofactor of C equal to, cofactors of C equal to, so along C, deleting corresponding rows and column, element B is left. So B, so this is B, and sign is plus minus plus, so plus B only. Then cofactors of D, cofactor of D, so deleting along D, corresponding rows and column, element left is A, so it is A. And sign is plus minus, so minus A. So now write its adjoint. So adjoint equal to, so adjoint of A equal to, adjoint A equal to, write all the cofactors, D minus C, first element is D, then minus C, then B, then minus A. Bracket close, and its transpose. So the answer is this equal to, just write row column interchange, right? That is the answer. That means D minus C. So D minus C, row column interchange, and B minus A. B minus a bracket close. So this is the answer. So this is the answer. This is adjoint of this matrix. Okay. It's time now. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Any
Thank
doubt?
you, sir.
Any doubt you can ask tomorrow also in live class. Okay, today you have to practice this question. Okay, then question will arise. Okay, need practice, then question will arise. Thank you. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
底下顺着可以。